To remove dents and light scratches, you'll need Murphy's oil soap, soft dry cotton cloths, 4/0 steel wool, water, a solder gun equipped with a smoothing tip, or an iron, clear or amber-colored paste wax containing carnauba wax, white Scotch-Brite pad number 7445. First, remove the wax finish from the damaged area using Murphy's oil soap on superfine steel wool, moving in the direction of the grain. Wipe the area with a soft cloth. Now, place a small drop of water on the dent or scratch. Allow that to sit for a few minutes. Using the clean side of an iron, lightly touch the area. Make sure the spot stays wet. The heat and the water will raise the wood fibers, filling in the dent or scratch. Repeat the process until the dent is gone. Clean the area with steel wool. Rub with the direction of the grain. This will blend the treated spot into the surrounding area. Now re-wax.